For many years, the flow industry has been faced with the task of machining various sides of T, elbow, or flanged valves and making each side off the same center of intersecting axes, preferably in a single setup. Royal's answer to this task is their self-centering power-clamped manual index chuck. Shown here is our 24-inch diameter index chuck, capable of holding valves 12 inches in thickness and 20 inches in length. Loading these parts can be difficult. That's why there is 1 inch of stroke per jaw to allow sufficient room for the operator to load the larger valves. Weighing approximately 960 pounds, this chuck can run up to a maximum speed of 550 RPM. It also has a jaw force of 17,500 pounds per jaw, assuring a secure grip of the valves while machining. Royal index chucks can range in size from 8-inch to 38-inch diameter. The open center design allows maximum cutting tool access and chip evacuation. The design is basically a 2-jaw lever-operated chuck actuated by a typical drawbar or draw tube. Therefore, if you had to change over your machine to run a conventional chuck on occasion, this is not a major changeover. The part jaws are mounted on each face of the index spindles, locating on the 2 precision ground key surfaces and bolted on the center thread. On the outside diameter, you could see the index bushings, which are normally positioned 90 degrees apart for each index position. In special cases, the index position may be different or have an additional index position. Index accuracy of 2/10,000ths of an inch of radius is maintained. Just below the index spindle, you can see the scissors clamp arrangement. The clamp arms have a mating index pin to the bushings on the index spindle diameter. Once locked into place, this provides the positioning of the part respectively for each 90-degree position. The clamp lever arms pivot off a fulcrum and are locked by a differential screw, as you can see the operator demonstrate here. Once the part is machined at one index position, the spindle is stopped. The operator then loosens the clamp arm so the index pin will clear the outside diameter of the index spindle. Shown on the back of the index spindle, you could see a hex socket where the operator would insert a hex wrench and index the part to the next 90-degree station. He would then clamp the index arms and then proceed with the cycle.